It's a 2018 GMC Acadia. It's just what you need in a full-size crossover. A large and impressive interior with functional carrying capability. Features include external memory control, power heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.